Force field analysis. What is it? Well, essentially, it's a way of determining whether your team, company, or institution needs to change, and the degree in which there will be challenges when changing. So in a sense, it's pros versus cons. Now, if we look at the worksheet, what you'll see here is on the left-hand side, you'll see for change, where you will list all the reasons why you think your team or institution needs to change. Then, on the right-hand side, you'll do the same thing. You'll make a list of all the reasons why there's going to be challenges if you change. So, what you'll do is you'll go to the left-hand side. You'll think about all the reasons why you or your company needs to change. For example, you might write down, we need to improve the speed of maybe a widget being manufactured, or we need to secure higher profits, or we need to increase efficiency, or maybe more innovation. For each one of these, you will then write down a number in terms of how influential that reason might be for change. For example, the need to improve speed may be very important depending on what your objective is, and so you'll give that, say, a 5. Maybe another force for change could be that you need to change culture. But maybe that's not as important as improving speed or efficiency, so you might give that a 3. You'll go ahead and do that for all of your reasons. Try to come up with 4 or 5. Then, go ahead and switch over on the right-hand side and do the same thing. But this time, what are all the challenges that are going to exist? For example, what are the reasons for against change? For example, if you do this change, if you enact it, will there be a loss of staff? What about customer demand? Will there be more competition? Or is staff fearful of technology? These are the resistors to that change. You'll write those down and then add those up. Maybe competition is a big deal. And so if you go ahead and enact this change, you're going to be in a new market, which is going to increase competition. So that's going to be a big force. You'll go ahead and give that, say, a 5. Now, maybe you're not too worried about the political environment, but that's somewhat of a challenge that will be a force against this change. You might write down 3. Once you go ahead through all your reasons on the left-hand side for change and all your reasons against change on the right-hand side, add up those numbers. And ultimately, if the forces for change are big enough, then it's worth considering executing that change strategy. This, in essence, is force field analysis, measuring and weighing all the benefits for change and against change.